Hello, my name is Robert, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a gallon of horchata for you to enjoy at home. Horchata is a Spanish drink that is often described as sweet rice milk beverage. It's made out of rice, milk, vanilla, and cinnamon. Let's start off by gathering all the components that you'll need. You are going to need a measuring cup, a gallon container, a large spoon for mixing, and your horchata mix. Now the horchata mix already has milk in it, but if you would like to add more milk into it, that is okay. Now that we have all of our components together, we can start making the horchata. First, you will need to fill your gallon container with water, preferably purified water, not from the tap. After you get done filling your container, you will need to grab your measuring cup and get 1 cup of horchata mix. Pour your cup of horchata mix into the water and begin to stir with a large spoon. I like to stir for about 1 to 2 minutes so that the mix fully dissolves into the water. If you are wanting to add milk, now is the time to do it. Go ahead and grab your milk, pour it into the gallon container, and stir for another 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you're finished. Keep it in your fridge so that it can stay cold and enjoy your horchata mix at home.